Hi, today I'm for the OnePlus Nord 3 5G and I'll show you how to link or unlink Google Assistant from power button on this device. So first you should open the settings, then scroll down to the additional settings. Click the power button and tap to press and hold power button. Switch power menu to voice assistant. Now by press and hold to the power key button, you'll use Google Assistant, and to use the power menu, you should press up volume button and the power key button together. So got it. Now by this way, with the volume up button and power key button will open the power up menu, but with the help of the volume button we will launch the assistant. Just to unlink assistant from power key, you should switch voice assistant to the power menu. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.